The SAS system can no longer be installed on Mac computers. The only available option is to set up SAS in a virtual machine environment. In this video, I am going to show you how to install and configure SAS Studio or SAS University Edition using Oracle Virtual Machine and run the application using a web browser. Begin by creating a folder on your computer and name the folder SAS University Edition without any spaces in between. Then create a subfolder and name it My Folders, again with no spaces in between. Now on your web browser, download Oracle Virtual Machine. I already have a copy of the VM, so I'm not going to download it again. After downloading the virtual machine application, on the SAS website, download SAS University Edition. To get the SAS application, you need an account. So if you don't already have an account, under New User, select Create Profile to create your SAS login credentials. I already have a login SAS account. My password expired and needs resetting. Log in to get the software. Review and agree to the license terms and conditions. Then click Continue to proceed with the login. Once you are logged in, scroll down and click the Downloads button or the Continue button to start the download. As you can see, the software SAS University Edition is free, indicated by the unit price of $0. If you get the message whether or not you want to allow downloads on support.sas.com, click Allow to download the application. When the software download is done, open VirtualBox and import the SAS over appliance to create the SAS engine in the virtual machine environment. Once the .ova SAS file is selected, click Open, Continue, then Import. If after clicking Import, you receive a Fail to Import Appliance message with the details of the result code showing invalid argument, know that your base folder does not have the same path as the virtual machine home folder or the SAS appliance folder. To fix this, edit your base folder to match that of the appliance, then click Import. The import should now be successful, and you should have your SAS engine created on the virtual machine environment. There is one more thing that you need to do before you start the SAS application. Link SAS University Edition to the shared folder that you created in the beginning of this tutorial. To do this, select the SAS engine, go to Settings on your virtual machine, Shared Folders. Click on the plus folder icon to the right. Under the folder path, select Other and locate the SAS University Edition folder on your computer and click Open to have it shared with your SAS engine. Make sure that your mount point is set to auto mount, then click OK to confirm. Now you can run the application by selecting it and clicking Run on your virtual machine. After booting up your SAS engine, you should have a localhost link that you can use on a web browser to run or use SAS Studio on your Mac environment or on your computer. Once the application is running on your browser, your virtual machine also has to be up and running the SAS application, otherwise it will not work. After entering the localhost link on your browser, Click Start SAS Studio to be granted access to the online version of the application. Running SAS on the virtual environment on your Mac is the only way that you can run the application on Mac OS. Now you are logged in and can perform any data steps using ProcSQL or any other applicable code in the SAS environment. When you are done using the app, just click Sign Out, then power off the SAS engine from your virtual machine environment. Each time you want to run the SAS program or application, just open your VirtualBox, start SAS and use the localhost URL on a web browser to start and run SAS Studio on your Mac computer. Please like the video and subscribe for similar videos.